starting a new series within a series. I'm making an EyeButt out of my family members with a distinct medium. Our medium of choice, Photoshop. Check it out. Here's my setup: a Wacom tablet with a pen, of course, a nice laptop, and Photoshop. As always, I go ahead and just simply start the drawing as I do with any medium. I'm going to start establishing the main landmarks, a couple little dots there, right here, to establish the first shape. And little by little, I'm going to go ahead and build up this drawing as I always do. Go ahead and take a look at the screen and kind of watch at the different techniques and tools that I'm using that I'll go over with lightly on the next session. Enjoy.